विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय।
Hi friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So we'll continue our discussion on the quadrangle. A quick recap of all what we have studied so far. Where can this quadrangle be spotted on the palm? So the area, the region formed in between the heart line and the headline is known as the quadrangle. Now comes the question, what would remain to be the parameters on which this quadrangle gets judged? So the parameters are, first, the length of the heart line and the headline. Second is the distance between the line, and third is the position of the quadrangle, whether it is high set on the palm or whether it is low set on the palm. Now comes the question, what does quadrangle represent? Why is it important to study the quadrangle? The quadrangle is very important because it tells you about with how much ease or difficulty an individual expresses himself in the outside world. You know, we have already discussed all the possible variation of the heartline, which would tell you about someone's innermost feelings, the emotional aspect of someone's personality, and the headline is going to tell you about someone's intellectual capabilities, the logical ability of someone's personality. But when it comes to doing a comprehensive analysis, when you have to check the final outcome in the form of someone's behavior in the world, in the outside world, then you have to do a comprehensive analysis. You have to look at the things, both the lines in totality, altogether. So that is the only reason why quadrangle gains significance. Now comes the spiritual aspect of this quadrangle, which I have already explained to people. Just because the kind of importance the presence of special signs and symbols hold inside the quadrangle, that many palmists have even ascribed this region as the landing strip of the angels. So if you have this quadrangle in a well balanced form, then this is just going to indicate that you will attract good relationship, good friends, wise counsel, strong intuition and good visionary dreams, which is going to help you in the progress of your life. We have already discussed the different aspect of these two lines, that these two lines can also be related with the electric wires. So when you will bring these two wires too close to each other, there would remain to be fear of short circuit. Same way, too much of closeness of the lines would indicate fear of confusion in someone's personality. We have already discussed different variations in the last video, that if you will find this heart line and headline and the quadrangle to be narrow in formation, this will just indicate kind of introvertness, nervousness and the fear of bronchitis, asthma and throat related problem. And if you will find this quadrangle to be wide, this would just indicate, excessively wide would indicate broad-mindedness as well as lack of commitment and carefree disposition. And a bottleneck form kind of quadrangle is going to represent a tug of war between emotions and the intellect. In spirituality, it has been believed that we all carry a kind of personal magnetism. The kind of people we attract and repel can also be seen from the perspective of these two major lines as well. So this is the kind of your positive pole and this is the negative pole. So there has to be proper tension in between, because if you will bring the two magnets too close to each other, there would remain to be too excessive of the tension, and if you bring them too excessively wide, there would be lack of synergy. But if these two lines are well formed, so they are going to create a necessary synergy and tension in between, which is going to be in the form of well balanced state of mind. There would be not too much of the interference of excessive of the bombardment of emotions, as well as the excessive of the use of the logical ability or calculativeness. So now comes the part of discussing the further aspect of the quadrangle. So let's say, for example, if you have found the quadrangle to be balanced at the origin. In the quadrangle, this portion is seen as the origin and this portion is seen as the termination. So let's say, for example, you have spotted the quadrangle to be of the balanced origin. So this is going to just indicate that early in life, this person would remain to be very much receptive towards new ideas, surroundings, friends, inviting good harmonious relationship. This person would not remain to be very bigotic or very rigid or very obstinate. So a balanced origin, which is not excessively wide, which is not excessively narrow, would just indicate openness towards new ideas, new relationship and new situations. But let's say, for example, with this balanced origin, you will find it to be terminating in a wide formation. So let's say something like this. So this would just indicate that the person, just because this quadrangle or these lines have kind of traveled their whole journey of the life. So this is also the old age. So there might remain to be the case that the person has got very withdrawn because of the vicissitudes and the ups downs of the life. Like the way it happens in relationship, different people carry different kind of attitude in the relationship. There are those people who, if get offended in the relationship, they would just fight, they'll shout, but they'll try to fix the problem and they'll stick around in order to mend the terms. But there also remain to be all those people who would just at the brink of some problem would just break off all the terms and will even stop talking and get withdrawn from the relationship. So there remain to be the case with these kind of the situation when you will find the quadrangle to be excessively wide at the termination. That's the one way to look at it. Second is, let's say for example, when you'll find the quadrangle to be little bit narrowed. So what does this indicate at the termination? So this would just indicate that something like this. So this would just indicate that the person in his old age has become very much, because the narrow termination represents nervousness, too much of the reservedness and inwardness. So this is just going to indicate that the person in his old age has become too much of inclined towards fear of kind of means this person has become very reserved, very introvert, and in those situations that what is going to happen in the old age, whether he'll be alone or whether he'll get the company of his nearer and dearer ones, or all those fear of old age and the anxiety and the stress. So that might remain to be the case when you'll find the quadrangle with a very narrow termination. The person being bogged down by the fear of being alone, or the anxiety and stress, or the little bit of reclusiveness can be seen with the narrow termination of the quadrangle. And let's say for example, specifically the point where this quadrangle is become excessively narrow, so that remain to be a time when the person has to be given proper care of an introspection of his thinking process and of his behavior, if the person doesn't want to get completely swayed and overwhelmed by the negativity. Let's say for example, the next formation is that you'll find the quadrangle to be narrow at the origin. So let's say for example, at the origin quadrangle is narrow, which in any case indicates at the origin that the person is little bit filled with kind of fear of suspicion in believing others, and in order this is going to act as a hindrance early in life in forming relationship with people, because this person is little bit of kind of calculative in terms of forming relationship. The person is filled with suspicion and fear, and he is just putting his brain and thinking and calculativeness in all the overtures on the other people's end. So even if someone is going to become friends with him or trying to make friendly gestures toward this person is going to look at those all gestures with a tinge of suspicion that there might be some ulterior motive because of which this person is trying to become close to me. So this would remain to be the case when you'll find the origin to be narrow. But let's say for example, at the termination you'll find the quadrangle's formation to be balanced. So this would just indicate that the potential would remain. Thus the situation and the potential would, and kind of a ray of hope would remain that the person would overcome all of this suspicion with the passage of the time. Let's say for example, you have found this to be wide termination. So this would just indicate that the fear and the suspicion has taken the toll in this person's relationship, in this person's thinking process. So initially the person tend to be filled with fear and suspicion, and which has become a part of his his personality, his part of his thinking process. Now this is how this person's personality has got formed, and he has got completely withdrawn. So early in life this person was filled with suspicion, and with the passage of time he has got completely withdrawn from forming relationship with other people, getting into harmonious and trustful relationship with people. So that might remain to be the case when you'll find the termination to be wide on a narrow origin. Let's say for example, you will find the origin in itself to be wide. So something like this. So like the way I have already explained to people, a wide origin just indicate that the person being too carefree, person being, you know, kind of very flighty, very you know, kind of outgoing, very extrovert, very broad-minded. So what would remain to be the case when you with this kind of white origin? You'll find that termination to be balanced. So this would just indicate that this person's outgoingness or individuality is not taking a toll in his relationship, in his final image, and, you know, kind of ultimate image in the society, the way he is being perceived in the society. But let's say, for example, you'll find with a wide origin a narrow termination. So there remain to be the case that the person would be seen as someone who is very irresponsible. So let's say, for example, this line is terminating like this. So at the origin, line is little bit abrupt in the form of like it is little bit abrupt, it is wide at the origin, and at the termination it is becoming very much narrowed. So this just indicate early in the youth the person was like this only, too outgoing, too broad-minded, too individualistic, and with the passage of the time the person has not improved his condition. That has initially he was like this, and because of his foolhardiness, the kind of mistakes and the kind of, you know, kind of mistakes he did because of his outgoingness, the repercussions now he is facing in the form of living a recluse kind of life. So this is how this kind of formation of the quadrangle can be looked at as. Next is, for example, is the significance of the length of the heart and headlines. You know, the distance which we were discussing right now between the heart and the headline just tell about how an individual's kind of instinct, ability to form harmonious bond, ability to form relationship, his desire to form relationship. But when it comes to the length of the lines, it is going to just tell about a person's staying power in those relationships. So now what is going to happen is, let's say, for example, in the case when you will find the quadrangle to be balanced, so in the form that the length of the lines are equal in length. So what does this indicate? Like the way we have already related these two lines with the magnets, that a necessary tension is required throughout the course to create a proper synergy, to create a proper environment of synergy in the quadrangle, in the form of inviting good harmonious relationship. So intellect is being infused by the intuition of the heartline, and heartline is being properly balanced by the logics of the headline. But let's say, for example, this is the case with the balanced quadrangle when you will find the heart and the headline to be of equal in length. But let's say, for example, when you will find the quadrangle to be of incomplete formation. So what do I mean by that? For example, when you will find the heartline to be longer and the headline to be short. So what does this indicate? First of all, this would indicate that the headline is terminating either on the plane of the Mars, or it is ending just because it is short, or it is ending on the plane of the Rahu, mount of the Rahu. So this would just indicate that the person has the generous capacity to shower affection and emotions in the outside world, to do something of, you know, humanitarian level, to do something philanthropic, to prove to be of great help to the society. But just because of this logics and his headline is ending on the mount of the Rahu, the person at the same time is, you know, being inclined and being kind of devoted with too much of the preoccupation of the daily life, like too much of the survival of, you know, fighting for the bread and butter, fighting for his daily survival. So the person has the potential, the person has the desire to rise and do something good. But because of the headline, the person is kind of afflicted and kind of remained in the daily fights and daily survival of his life only. And let's say, for example, when you'll find the heartline to be shorter and the headline to be longer. So this would just indicate something like this. So this would just indicate that the person has a strong intellectual capabilities, but this short headline is indicating that the person doesn't have the profound deep emotions to get into deep relationship. The person's emotions are more self-driven, more of his like own self-interest driven, rather than doing something on a great and on a society level, where his emotions and his feelings can be of someone's help or can be of some greater cause. So this is with the different variation of the quadrangle. I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notification on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.